Here is a Frigidaire 6000 BTU, brand new window unit. Let's see what it is. Just choose a timer. Oh, it's filter. My bad. I wasn't looking. What's that? I'm gonna look out the outside first before I turn it on. There's the old unit. It's trashed. What was that? Just the Frigidaire. GMCC compressor. Amazon damaged it a little bit, but it works. That window. Alright, let's turn on the air conditioner. That's a fan. It smells a little bit, it smells like a heater. But it's good. Alright. So, I bet this is pretty much one of the only reviews of this type of window unit, this Frigidaire. Because not many people post these kind. That's sort of cool. These buttons are hard to press. Let's listen to the compressor. It's gonna hiss. Of course, it takes a minute to get cool. It hisses. For out here, we're on 78. Oh, it's getting cool. It's on high or medium. But yeah, that's it.